Welcome to a new lecture on strengthening your astral powers by Sar Dinoil. This lecture is about the principle and practice of telepathy, that is the technique of transmitting thoughts at a distance, about practice of suggestion and hypnosis. Sar Dinoil, as always, conveys practical secrets in a very clear and compact manner. You will definitely find success following his instructions. So let's continue our path to achieving powerful astral forces. This part is called Mental Exercise and Culture. It consists of these sections. Attention as the key to the development of the powers of the soul, monoideism, complete passive state, self-hypnosis, reading and transmission of thoughts, suggestion, and ecstasy. Among all human abilities, there is one that is the most important for us and serves as the key to the development of almost all latent abilities. We are talking about attention. That is the ability to direct consciousness to one thing. The thought of most people continually jumps from subject to subject. An ordinary person not only cannot stop it, not only does not control it, but is, as it were, an outside spectator of his thought processes. But in reality, he must be their complete master. Attention directed to any one single idea, the so-called monoidism, either fix, gives it almost unlimited power, as is observed, for example, with hypnotic suggestion. It is clear how much power such an idea can acquire. Under the influence of such ideas, Christian martyrs went to the fires without resistance, being in ecstasy. This fact is of great importance, and we advise you to pay special attention to it. All the exercises that we have already studied, in essence, were only exercises for the attention of our psychophysical being, or attempts to awaken consciousness and will in all parts of the body, so to speak, to make it spiritualized. Further, only with the help of attention can we cross the barrier that separates everyday consciousness from the supreme, in which the most important mental phenomena occur, to find out what is happening in it and affects it. But without entering the realm of the unconscious, true spiritual culture is impossible, for the unconscious contains our real spirit. Ignorance of this fact is the reason for the impotence of the old psychology in the development of mental forces.